Hi, lovely people. How are you? I'm doing great because we are at day 5 of the 12 days of giveaway. So, if you are new and you don't know what's going on, I decided to do 12 days of Christmas giveaway, or if you don't celebrate Christmas, holiday giveaway. I was going to do a big giveaway for the holidays, but I thought, you know what? I always get, when just one person wins or I have 2 winners, I feel so bad for everybody else. So I figured I'm going to do every day. Let me try that again. I'm going to do a giveaway every day for 12 days. Now, it won't be like, something really big every day, but it'll be about $50 worth of value, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes right under it. And I just thought to give back for no reason, just to say thank you. I am so thankful for all the support that I get from you guys every time you guys comment. When you like my video, just watching my video really helps me out and it means a lot to me. So, and I just enjoy giving back. And I am so excited because as I'm uploading this, I am 50 subscribers away from 25K. 25,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. I am like so excited. That was my end of the year goal, to try to get to 25K. And if I can make that goal, oh my God, I don't know what I'm going to do. But I'm babbling. I have day 1, I have day 2, and then yesterday's video is day 3 and 4 together if you haven't watched it. Now, what I'm going to be doing, just in case you're new, I am going to do, I have through Gleam. So every day will be a different Gleam account because it's a different giveaway every day. So you can enter every day if you want. If you win all 12 times, then make sure you play the lottery. But no, if you win 1, 2 times, that's fine. But play every day if you want, or there might be certain days you're like, I'll pass. It's okay. So on day 3 and 4, yesterday's video, there are 2 separate links. So in the description box. So make sure you enter both links. And I know people have been messaging me that they're having problems with the Gleam. I don't know what else to do. I had this before, so I'm going to have to go use a different app. And the reason why sometimes I use these apps is because I know with Gleam, there are people that only come to, they look up giveaways and they only want to enter for the giveaway. And then once it's over, they unsubscribe if they don't win. Well, what Gleam does is if you enter and then unsubscribe and then subscribe again, it will kick you out, so you won't be picked through Gleam, which I like that too, because it's not fair for people that are watching me all the time. Now, I also had somebody say to me, well, what if a Gleam picks a name that you never heard of that doesn't comment? With these giveaways, I say to comment, and if you watch my videos all the way through, there's a specific answer that you have to comment in each giveaway. So when Gleam picks the winner, I will make sure that you guys comment what I asked you to comment. If you don't comment that and comment something else, then I will repick. So make sure you watch the videos all the way through. Also, when I do other giveaways that I don't always go through Gleam, if somebody doesn't comment, if that's not an option, I still pick that winner, because there are times that I watch people's giveaways and I'm doing things and I forget to comment. And not everybody likes to comment, but that doesn't mean that they're not watching the video. So I don't know. I figured for this one, I just wanted to be fair because a lot of people have private messaged me. And so I wanted to explain that with you. So when Gleam does pick the winner, I will definitely go back to that video to make sure that you answer the correct, well, it's not like a correct answer, but you comment the question that I ask you. All right, so one more thing before I show you what day 5 is going to be. I got this in the mail yesterday. This is the Smoke Obsessions eyeshadow palette from Melt Cosmetics. And the colors are beautiful. Now, I'm showing you this for a reason. This is what the packaging looks like. And right here, let me push this back because there is a mirror here, are the colors. Now, yes, it does have weed symbols in here. Melt Makeup is also known for that as well. And just like Milk Makeup, they have that Kush mascara. The reason why I'm showing you this, well, I got the palette. I do not smoke weed, but I don't care who does it. I'm not one of them ones like, oh, you shouldn't do it. you know, that's a whole nother story. But the colors are absolutely beautiful. And the reason why I'm showing you this, do you want in tomorrow's video, do you want me to do an eye look with this palette? Let me know if you're interested. I will already have my face makeup done, and I'll just do my eyes, and then I'll do day 6 on that as well. Let me know in the comments down below. So, day 5. This is what you will win. So it's a pretty bigger prize, this for day 5. It is going to be 3 eyeshadow palettes and 3 liquid lipsticks. And this is from a company, it's an indie brand that I really, really do like their eyeshadows. So these are from Spoiled Cosmetics. They have a subscription box. They have an eyeshadow palette subscription, or they have a lipstick subscription. I will leave the link down below if you're interested, but I want you guys to try to see what you guys think of it. So what you guys will be winning for day 5 or entering is this Spoiled Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. I don't like opening things up, because once you open them up and the air hits them, you know, I don't know. But let me show you, because I don't know the names of these palettes offhand. Goodness, come on. Oh my gosh, I don't edit my video, guys. Can I get this out? Okay. So this is volume 5, okay? So let me show you. It does come with a little foil thing, but that's what this one looks like right there. It's like a grungy palette. And of course, all these are new. I have not touched them, swatched them, anything. All right, so that is one palette. The second palette will be, okay, so this is the blue one. And, okay, so this is volume 3. That's what it looks like. I love the artwork. So this has the foil right here. So you have like 3 glitters, and then you have mattes. Is that all mattes? No, you have a few shimmers on here. So you will be winning this. And let me show you. And the last palette is this big one. It's really pretty. First of all, I don't know if the camera's going to do it justice, but this is a black, like a grayish color, and it has like glitter on it. And this is the glitter palette. Okay, I don't want to touch it. So it has the foil right here. Oh, let me not touch it. It is all glitter palette, and it's really, really, really pretty. And but I will say, with these, any kind of glitter palettes, you have to use some kind of glitter primer, like a base. NYX Cosmetics has one that's like $7 US, because you want something to be tacky so the glitter doesn't fall. Okay, so they will be the palette. So you have 3 palettes and you have 3 liquid lipsticks. So this one is in Peaches. This is Foxy, and this is Baby Girl. So let me open it from the bottom. And of course, I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to show you the colors. Okay, so this one is like a pinkish color. This one, okay, so this is Peaches. That one was Baby Girl. And this is like a light, like a nudie color, nudie pinkish color, peachy color kind of like. And this one is Foxy. And I believe this is like the red color. I thought that would be good for Christmas. And there we go. So that will be for day 5. It'll be 3 eyeshadow palettes and 3 liquid lipsticks. And then you can see if you like their formula. And I think that's a really good giveaway. Let's see. I want you, of course, please like this video. And you have to be subscribed. You know, you have to use the link. And let's see. What can I say? Comments. I wasn't prepared for this. Comment your favorite color. Let me know what your favorite color is. All right, and that is everything. I think that's it. Make sure you comment down below. I'm going to try this out. So do you guys want me to do it on camera and do like a first impression? Or do you want me to wear it and then at night when I do my day 6 giveaway, I can tell you what I think about it? Let me know what you rather me do. And then I will definitely do it what the majority of the comments say. All right, I'm babbling, so it is late at night. I want to try to get this video up by 10 o'clock tonight. So I love you guys, and I will see you. I don't know what's going on with my thing. All right, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.